Hey yo, it's your boy Caleko. Today, we're going to be finishing up this beautiful stone. It's looking really good right now, and this is where I left off. We're about 5 hours in. We got, just under another 2 hours to go. It should be finished up in that time. We're definitely going to do it on fast. We're not going to do it on slow. But this time, that fantastic beat we had last time, we are not going to run that back no matter how good that one was. Instead, we are going to go hard in the paint, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for that drum and bass. I will make a rave baby out of you yet, but with some style and some good sounding electronic music. But this time, we're gonna get aggressive with it. All right. That was I Swirl by Roozer. That was some pretty good DnB, especially if you like the old raves like me and my family. Anyways, I'm just saying, so backgrounds on the stone absolutely matter, especially when you're trying to take pictures of them. You could tell that in those pictures that were up just a second ago. Depending on the background, really depending on how the stone glowed, but that's not how my naked eye would see it. My naked eye more sees it without so much of the glare on a sunny day like you see like this. The best days for fire agate, though, is really funny because it's a great juxtaposition between opals, because this is a cloudy day and I'm trying to block the background so that the iris stays focused on the gemstone. And on a cloudy day, you can see all of the color really great because the light is diffused. On a cloudy day with opals, you can't see them at all. And fire agate is just really, really magical when it's overcast, and really, it's just amazing. Anyways, this stone turned out fantastic. It's my best purple stone. It's the Purp and Teal #1. This is from Mexico. It's a sexy Mexi stone. It is a beautiful rock. It is polished to a high gloss. I really do think that it is a fantastic stone from all angles and all directions. And with what I started with, I think it was worth the 7.5 hours. I myself will not sell this stone for less than $500. I think it's probably worth more than that, especially once we put it in some jewelry. And I need to cut some more stuff like this. Anyways, I love y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to come back, so make sure you subscribe and share this video with somebody else. And I will see you soon. More crazy Caleko's wild tales coming soon.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Well, this is not quite done, but that you see on that's a 600. That's what that grit is. That's a 600. So this is the next stage using dye shine after the 600. It's a foggy polish. Definitely a little bit of a polish, and it's definitely a little bit foggy. Can remove color when you're doing that stage. I have done that. Just did that.